So students, China, it kept itself away from war, conflict or any tussle, because China during that time, it was not financially or economically sound, because China knew that if I am involved in war, I would have to face an intense economic crisis, and once again China also would become a debtor in the global market. So China, it did not take part in any warfare or war, but China had been cut off from the post-World War economy since its revolution in 1949. But new economic policies in China and the collapse of the Soviet Union and Soviet-style communism in Eastern Europe brought many countries back into the fold and world economy. During that time, I'm talking about 1949, because just today's lecture, when I started my teaching, I told you that Soviet Russia, after Second World War, Soviet Russia established itself as a communist country, believer of socialism. But during that time, at the end of the First World War, or already Second World War, it has been already over. Second World War, 1945. Once again, Soviet Russia had to face economic crisis. In global economy, Russia became the debtor in the global economic market. So that is why that when Soviet Russia, a downfall of economy, Soviet Russia faced, during that time China emerged as the economically sound country. And nowadays, you know guys very well that in the last 2 decades, we can say that, or we can say more than 2 decades, that countries like China, India and Brazil have achieved a rapid economic development. Brazil once had to face intense economic crisis, but now Brazil has also stood up on its feet, established itself economically. Simultaneously, India is also developing country, not developed but developing country, and massive development in economy. It is taking place with India, China and Brazil. So guys, this much for the day, and the chapter is end. So on the basis of today's teaching and today's lecture, take 5 questions. Question number 1. After First World War, why India had to face economic crisis in colonial rule? After First World War, why India had to face economic crisis in colonial rule? 2. What were the two countries emerged as powerful after Second World War, and why? You have to name them. What were the two countries emerged as powerful after Second World War, and why? Question number 3. What is decolonization? What is decolonization? You have to write only what do you understand by decolonization. Question 4. Why Africa and Latin America? Why Africa and Latin America faced intense economic crisis after decolonization? Why Africa and Latin America faced intense economic crisis after decolonization. I already taught you right now why they were dependent, they were accustomed to the colonial system. Thus, you can write. And the last question of the day, in which year and which place, in which year and which place in America Bretton Woods conference took place? The name of the conference was named as Bretton Woods, but which place in America and which year? So guys, you have book also. You go through the chapter intensely. You read the chapter for 2 times, at least today's lecture for 2 times, and then you answer these 5 questions. So guys, till then, take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe. God bless you. Bye bye.